my client's living dining space in Mumbai. They wanted a warm, modern classic makeover, but with one condition: the dining table and the blue chairs must stay exactly where they are. So here's how I redesigned their entire space using Nano Banana MidJourney. The space was functional but visually very busy. Multiple styles, lots of furniture, and no strong design direction. But the layout, balcony view, and natural lighting were huge assets. Before I could redesign it, I needed a clean slate. So I used Nano Banana to wipe the room bare and then rebuilt the entire layout using AI. I started in Nano Banana by removing everything from the room. Every sofa, every accessory, every wall unit. This gave me a blank canvas, the clean shell of the client's home. Before jumping into AI, I always start with references. These Pinterest images guided the entire design direction. Arched bar units, ribbed beige sofas, navy chairs, classic moldings, and warm lighting. This reference board becomes my visual foundation before moving into AI for the final concept. Once the room was empty, I rebuilt the entire living layout in Nano Banana. I added the main sofa wall. The dining table and blue chairs remained untouched, so I balanced the palette to flow with them naturally. For this arched TV panel, I wanted to help my client explore different material moods. In Nano Banana, I first selected the existing marble surface and changed the texture, from a soft white vein slab to a dramatic dark brown marble and even a sculpted 3D stone finish. All three options were generated instantly, letting the client compare tone, lighting bounce, and overall ambience in real time. This step makes material decisions more visual. After finalizing the layout in Nano Banana, I moved into MidJourney to develop the visual style. Here I refined the materials, mood, and lighting, making the space feel modern, classic, and elegant. This step gives me the final look and mood that the client will emotionally connect with. Here's the full transformation, from the real room to a clean slate to the final concept. This workflow lets clients visualize their future home clearly. This design works because the palette blends with the dining chairs, the arched TV panel creates a focal point, wall moldings add depth, beige plus navy create balance. The layout enhances flow and openness. I'm Shipra Shetty, and this is how I use AI to design faster and better for my clients. Subscribe for more MidJourney plus Nano Banana tutorials. See you in the next video.